Want to look at the Nissans next? I remember we saw the Nissan Kicks at the Miami Auto Show. No wonder I like it. They put Bose in here. I was like, this is it. Right? It's the Nissan Kicks. It's 2025. Like, what?
Might be a good daily driver.
I'm like, that is fun. I loved it. I sure did. Because it was so cute and compact. And the Bose speakers in the freaking headrest. Get out of here. Nissan Kicks is so cute. And it has the cutest little colors. This is so cute. It's all about what you like. Everybody is different.